Hey everyone, I'm attorney Jordan McIntyre with McIntyre Elder Law, and today we're going to talk about what to do after a loved one passes. This is a very difficult time, and it doesn't come at a good time when you're grieving, right? But you have to file paperwork with the clerk of court, get a ton of paperwork, get death certificates, inventory a lot of assets during this process if a loved one has not gotten everything outside of probate with an estate plan that they've done with an attorney who's passed all the assets outside of probate. So if you're in a situation, right, loved one passes, will or no will, you're going to have to file a petition to open up the probate estate with the clerk of court. Then you are going to file an inventory with all the assets, run a notice to creditors, right? It has to be for 90 days. Or published with the newspaper for 4 consecutive weeks. And then after any claims have come in, you pay off those claims and distribute the assets. Any real property, right? Land, homes, and then personal property, bank accounts, items within the home. And those will be your responsibilities as an executor or a public administrator, right? Is to pay off debts and then distribute the remaining assets. However, we can put you, right, and your loved one's in a position where you don't have to go through that process. Probate can be anywhere from 6 months to 2 years. And we will assist you at McIntyre Elder Law with the lengthy probate process, right? We can act on your behalf to do all the paperwork and file all the forms. It's difficult because if you receive property, you have to sit on it for 2 years before you can sell it. That's if you receive it through probate. If property does pass through probate, it's subject to claims and can be sold to satisfy any debts. So what I do with clients, right, is try to set up their assets so they pass outside of probate to protect their families from any types of creditor claims, medical debt, and to make sure that, you know, their family doesn't have to come meet with an attorney like me, because it's still going to take us a little bit, even though it'll typically be faster. It'll take us, you know, some time to get all those assets into your name. So come to McIntyre Elder Law. We have locations in Shelby, Charlotte, and Hendersonville. Visit the website at www.mcelderlaw.com, where you can learn all about estate planning and probate. And give us a call at 1-888-999-6600. And we would love to either assist you with probate or help you figure out how to pass assets outside of probate and put your family and your legacy in a great position after you pass. Thank you for your time. See you guys later.